Welcome to Taste the Flavors Cooking Tutorials. This is Chef Apache, and I guess I'm just Chef Mommy. What are we cooking today, babe?
All right, so today we're going to do a 40 clove garlic roasted chicken. It's delicious, and a healthy meal as well.
This is actually really healthy. So let's get started. What do we have to season our chicken?
So first we have black pepper, pink Himalayan salt, rosemary, and thyme. And I'm sorry, and the 40 clove roasted garlic. Or 40 clove garlic. It's not roasted yet. It will have to be eaten. Trust me, it's don't bang it. Alright, so first what you want to do is we're going to do a half a tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt on one side, or season to taste.
Your taste, yeah.
Your taste.
I mean, for a whole chicken, a tablespoon is fair. You'll put about half on one side and half on the other. But again, obviously season it to your taste, especially if you don't like hypertension.
Yeah, if you have hypertension, you definitely want to
take it down a notch.
All right. I'm gonna do it. This is a teaspoon and a half of black pepper, so we're doing a half of that on each side as well. All right.
It's amazing just what pink salt and pepper do alone. They're great standalone seasonings.
Yeah, man. Sometimes less is more when it comes to certain foods, you know.
For sure.
All right, here, this is the rosemary. I'm doing what I got 2 tablespoons of rosemary.
Do you think maybe we can let them see?
You want to say, okay.
Yeah, I think we can let them see the fresh herbs.
Yes, they are definitely fresh.
Because some people aren't familiar with what it looks like, and you can show them the chop. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So we chopped it up. It does not come like this. Do we have a stem that you can show them?
Yes, I can show you guys what it looks like. So we bought ours in just a little package like this at our local grocery store.
Or you can go to a farmer's market.
Exactly.
If they have the fresh ones.
And, well, it's all fresh, but it's loose. Right. So this is what it looks like. And then what you do is you just pull down. You know, see, you just pull down like this because the stem is very woody and you do not want the stem. So you just want the leaves, and then you chop them up. That's all.
All right. Now I'm putting the 3 tablespoons of the thyme.
Yes.
All right. So I'm doing half.
And the same thing with the thyme. This is a stem. It's so small. The leaves are really small, but you just want to take the stem and pull down lightly, and you'll get all of the leaves off.
What I do now is I just press it in, you know, just make sure everything sticks in. So I'm about to flip it over. Yeah, it's nothing better. No better smell than fresh herbs. I love fresh herbs. It smells delicious. All right. So then what you do is just flip it over. Do the same thing. The remaining of the salt, Himalayan salt.
And I already washed my hands, but I'm going to wash them again just so y'all can see, because I want to get in here too.
Oh, you see, when I deal with, you know me, I deal with chicken, I put the gloves on.
So what I'm going to do is just lay the garlic cloves down into the pan and make a bed of garlic.
Make sure you see how I left the wings up. You know, one thing I can't stand about roasted chicken, people don't season up under the wings and the crevices and everything like that.
That's true. So, that's an important tip.
Yeah, always go under the crevices of a whole chicken. Make sure you get flavor from everywhere. You know, taste the flavors, man. We about it for real.
About the flavor.
About the flavor. All right, the pepper. Rest of the rosemary. Right over the top. Same thing. These crevices. Then the rest of the top.
We know you like That's enough. You're filling up on your fat.
Yeah.
All right now, Bird.
Well, I don't like your thighs, baby. I like your thighs. Alright. So I'm gonna let you. You're gonna push this to the side. Let you take care of it.
Okay.
Here, you lift that up.
So I'm going to do really quickly is just take some safflower oil, and I think I got this at the farmer's market. You could use olive oil, you could use avocado oil, You could use whatever oil you feel most comfortable, but a good oil would be, I would recommend olive, avocado, safflower. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon down in the pan. And so once the pan goes into the oven, all of this oil is going to get all over the pan. So don't worry yourself about feeling like you have to spread everything out. And I know that this is called 40 clove garlic chicken, but can we dare to be different and put just a few more garlic cloves? Because is there really a such thing as too much roasted garlic?
It sure is.
All right in here. Perfect. And I am a fan of taking shortcuts when you can. So how we get the garlic, instead of, laboring yourself, just get yourself a bag of peeled garlic. So this is about another 20 or so. So we're gonna rename this recipe here on the spot. 40 some odd cloves of garlic. I mean, literally, like after you make this, you'll see why. There's no wrong amount of roasted garlic because it turns into like a sweet mild taste. So,
and what we like to do, we really like to cover the bottom of the pan. Oh, I didn't tell you. You must use for the best results, you definitely want to use a cast iron skillet for the best results to brown it and for it to, caramelize well.
Very well. And another thing that can help is just sprinkle just a little bit of salt over your garlic. That was not even an eighth of a teaspoon. It was like a pinch.
All right, so now, so looking right?
Yes.
All right. So once you do that, took my glove off too soon, but oh well. You just lay the chicken over top.
Bone side down.
Yes, bone side down. All right. This smells delicious.
All right.
All right. We have preheated the oven to 425, so that's what you want it on. After you do that, wash my hands again.
And I'll just do a little song and dance while I'm washing your face.
Yes, it's really that crazy. Silly, or whatever you want to call it. So, I open this up. Don't burn my leg. And put it in the oven. Definitely want it on the top rack.
Yeah.
And that's it. That's 40 cloves garlic. We will get back to you because we have some other things for you as well.
So we're gonna leave it in for how long?
We put it in there for about an hour, but it varies with your
oven.
So 45 minutes to an hour. You do not want
it to overcook.
Overcook because you do not want dry breasts.
So basically, you just want it to get to a temperature of about, what is it?
165.
165.
165.
Yeah.
A chicken is done.
Yeah. Oh, MG. It's like, oh, MG. Oh my goodness. Like, I just want to dig in there. So it's so, it's so soft. It's caramelized garlic. Like, it's amazing. So again, this is like a really easy go-to. You can do this in the middle of the week. And then you'll have, if you have leftover chicken, then you can use the leftover chicken for soup, for tacos, enchiladas, whatever. Because it's essentially garlic chicken. The garlic is infused in the meat. So you have yourself a garlic roasted chicken with fresh rosemary and thyme. I hope y'all try this and enjoy.